Hello and welcome to VNG Tech Labs. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about variables. So what is a variable? So according to the computer, a variable is a container in which the computer stores information that are used in the program. Okay, right. Okay, let's learn it with a small example here. So I have a box, right? This box can hold anything that I want. Okay? Now I named this box as a sweets. It means that I can put some sweets inside it, okay, for my reference. So tomorrow, if I want to have some sweets, I can straight away identify the sweet box as the name is written over it, and I can open it and have some sweets and put it back in the place, right? Okay. Right. So I can add up to 20 sweets for the size of the box. Okay. So what if I add more sweets than 20? It means that the box will not allow the number of sweets inside. So it means that there is a limitation for this box for which it can hold the sweets, number of sweets. Similarly, let's compare it with the real variable of a computer program, right? A variable acts similar to this box. As we said that there is a limitation for this box, even for a variable, there is some limitation up to which it can hold certain values. Okay. Okay, let's understand it well with the help of a program right now. Okay, the screen that you're looking at right now is an online platform for learning block coding as well as Python coding. So let's use this online platform to understand well about variable. So here I've typed in the address bar as pictoblocks.ai. That leads me to this website here, to online coding website. Now I'm going to select block coding. First, we will see this example in block coding, and then we can jump to Python coding. I'm going to click this block coding here. Right. Okay. So at the left, you have something called as palette, the colors. So I'm going to click the variables palette here. Okay. Now here, the computer tells me to make a variable. So I'm going to click this make a variable, inside which I'm going to name the variable name as sweets. So you need not change the data type. It's a number. The data type should be number because it's going to hold the number of sweets. It may be 5 or 10 or 20, so it should be number. And then I'm going to click on OK. So as you see here, you call it as a backdrop here. You can see that a variable got created in the name of sweets. And the computer automatically assigns a value called 0. It means that there are 0 values inside it. So if we want to populate some values inside the sweets variable means you need to do it by program. So that is what we are going to do. Right. I'm going to bring the set my variable to 0. Here I'm going to select sweets. My variable name is sweets. So that is the reason I've selected sweets. And then let me bring this when flag clicked. It means that when I click the flag, this program will start working. I'm going to click the flag and you just see what happens to the sweets number over here. For that, let me change it to 5. So when I click the flag, I'm going to set the sweets variable to number 5. I click the flag and it became 5. What if I take away 2 sweets from my box? Okay. So the number of sweets will become 3 in the box. So let's see that in the program here. So there is an option like change my variable. We are going to subtract 2 items from the sweet box. I'm going to take away 2 items. So I need to change my sweets variable to by -2. It means that it will take away 2 from 5. So the result will be 3. Okay, so this is how the variable works. Okay, so our information is the number of sweets, and as far as you save this will be existing in your program. Okay, next. We will see the same example in the Python coding. So I click the Python option here. Well, right. Okay, so in Python, I need to create a variable name first. So let me stick onto the same variable name sweets. So I can directly type the variable name, and I need to assign the value like 5. Okay. So let me print the number of sweets here on the terminal. At the bottom, you see the terminal, right? So our output will be displayed in the terminal. So to display the output of this program, I need to type print, open braces, inside I need to type str of sweets. It means that I need to convert the value, that is the integer, to string, because the print function only accepts a string. So that is why I'm converting it. Okay, let me click the run, and you keep watching the terminal, what happens to it. You can see number 5, right? Now, as we saw in the block coding, let me take away 2 sweets from 5. So what I will do is, I will say that, hey computer, remove 2 sweets from sweets. Now, what happens is, it will take away 2 items from the sweets variable. Okay, let me print it again. I'll just copy the second line. I'll print the current value of sweets after removing 2 items from it. Okay, let me clear this terminal. Okay, let me click on this run. As you see here, first we are going to assign 5, the number 5, to the sweets, and then we are printing it as 5, and then we remove 2 items from it. So the current value is 3. So this is how the variable works. Thank you for listening.